welcome to Yourpedia Campus Placement. So guys, all of you are preparing for your campus placement and there are various multinational companies, PSUs are coming, they are visiting in your campus. So today I'm going to talk about HUL, that is Hindustan Unilever Limited, which is India's largest, you can say, consumer goods company and you can say it's a UK based company basically. So अगर ये company आपकी campuses में visit कर रही है and you are also preparing for that, just you need to check out some of the highlighted important points related to this company. You know that you can say it out कि you can prepare it well for this particular company अगर आपको ये कुछ important pointers भी पता हैं, talking about the historical milestones, like chairman, team management, products and services, main business verticals and all these things. Maybe you will get you're going to be do better in your particular interview. But apart from that, it's going to check your communication, your confidence level, your gesture, your posture, your analytical skills, and a lot of things are there, right? So let's just understand and check what are the important pointers we need to keep in mind while we are preparing for such companies. So yes, this is you can say this is the content we always need to prepare for any company we are going for. Historical background, these are the components actually. उसके new initiatives क्या हैं, products and services क्या हैं, current news क्या हैं, ये सारी चीज़ें. Okay, talking about this is Hindustan Unilever Limited, HUL. It's India's largest fast-moving consumer goods, ठीक है, company and a subsidiary of the UK-based Unilever PLC. ये इसकी subsidiary है, जो UK-based Unilever PLC है, उसकी subsidiary है ये Hindustan Unilever Limited. इसके headquarter है that is in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and the company has over 90 years of presence in India. Okay. So इसका ये financial performance यहाँ पर given है and it also manages a portfolio of 50 plus brands across 16 product categories and reaches more than 9 million retail outlets. It has been founded in 1933 as Hindustan Vanaspati Manufacturing Corporation. So जो like कुछ candidates जानते होंगे कि इसको पहले किस नाम से जाना जाता था. That is renowned as in Hindustan Vanaspati Manufacturing Corporation and now it is Hindustan Unilever Limited. Then it became Hindustan Lever Limited in 1956 and was renamed Hindustan Unilever Limited in 2007. So these are the important things need to be make you prepare. Its strength include deep rural and urban distribution network, iconic brand portfolio and robust R&D and marketing capabilities. ठीक है? So the company integrates sustainability with business priorities and recognized India as #1 employer of choice across industries in 2025. This is the recent one. So ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. Major historical milestones, 1933 में it has been founded, then 56 में Hindustan Limited बनी, फिर 2007 में renamed as Hindustan Unilever Limited, then it has been acquired GlaxoSmithKline's India consumer business and of course 2025 में it has been maintained market leadership and achieved 60,680 crore turnover. Core business if I'll talk about क्या क्या है, home care, beauty well-being, personal care, food and refreshment. Products and services if I'll talk about, home care में Surf Excel, Rin, Wheel, Vim, Domex जो detergent powders and all होते हैं, ठीक है. Personal care and beauty में Lux, Lifebuoy, Dove, Sunsilk, this is of Hindustan Unilever Limited. Foods and refreshment में Brook Bond, Taj Mahal, Brew, Kisan, ठीक है, Boost, Qualities Wall, Lipton, ये सारी चीज़ें जो हम ग्रीन टी, कॉफीज, टी हम जो इनटेक करते हैं दैट इज फ्रॉम द हिंदुस्तान यूनिलीवर लिमिटेड. हेल्थ एंड न्यूट्रिशन, वाटर प्योरीफायर्स, ऑफ कोर्स. टॉप मैनेजमेंट इफ आई टॉक अबाउट, रोहित जावा इज द मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर एंड सीईओ ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर कंपनी एंड रेस्ट ऑल टीम्स हैव बीन गिवन ओवर. बट आपको सीईओ के बारे में, आपको चेयरमैन के बारे में पता होना चाहिए, दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है. करंट इनिशिएटिव की अगर बात करें, एज दिस द ओल्डेस्ट कंपनी है ना, तो करंट इनिशिएटिव क्या है इसके? Digital transformation, e-commerce expansion, of course, with the increasing, with the passage of time, with the increasing technologies and innovation, we have to expand it like that. We have to merge with technology. So Unilever, the Hindustan Unilever Limited, also doing so, and it has been expanded its products, its expansion, the digital transformation and e-commerce expansion. ठीक है. Rural growth acceleration, portfolio premiumization and innovation, employer of choice and leadership in ESG. ठीक है. Then current news क्या है? Financial result. Reported double digit growth, resilient margin despite inflationary headwinds. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. अभी हमने देखा भी था कि 25 में इसका टर्नओवर कितना ज़्यादा है. ठीक है. Then it comes to new product launches, introduced health focused beverage variants and premium skincare lines. Leadership announcement, रोहित जावा कब है ये 2023 में इन्होंने अपना वो किया था, लाइक टुक ओवर एज अ चार्ज ऑफ सीईओ. ठीक है. सस्टेनेबिलिटी अवार्ड्स, ब्रांड कैंपेनिंग इनिशिएटिव, these are the current things. Talking about interview questions, see, when you are sitting in the campus placement interview, I have recorded a important and a separate video कि आपको किस type के questions you're going to be asked, right? Related to this company, they will definitely ask you what do you know about this company, why do you want to join, and how you're going to be contribute in this particular growth of this company. All these questions you need to prepare with your PDA mentors, and of course detailed answer भी यहाँ पर given है. What do you know? You need to tell कि when it has been incorporated, what it is doing and why it has been renowned, right? Why do you want to join? Because you are seeking you can say interest in that sustainable planning, innovation, creation and all these things, and you want to like join a legacy which is increasing, which is enhancing, strengthening by the time. ठीक है. How you are going to be like contributing that? You can say manufacturing, operations, efficiency, lot of things they are going to be like contribute. You can talk about your problem solving skills, analytical part, that how you are going to be boost its growth. ठीक है. Collaborative skills से innovative जितना fast innovation चल रही है, so you are also going to be give your opinions and ideas, and you are like contributing toward the growth of this particular company. So this is all about. There are various such questions which you still need to be prepared, that you can prepare in your PDA HR sessions with various mentors, your SWOT analysis, your case studies part, your organization based knowledge, project internship questions, experience based, skill based questions. So we have various mentors to guide you on these particular fields, and you can prepare various domain of HR under one umbrella. Don't forget to download this documentation from your PDA panel and practice it well. All the best. Good luck.